welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Narina Kawal. So hopefully you watched my previous video where I told you how you can make your PayPal account. So in this video I will show you how you can make money to watching videos. So first of all you need to make your PayPal account. So now I will show you website how you can make money from watching video, right? You need to go Google and search timebucks.com. Here we go. You will see this page. In Timebucks they will pay you to post on TikTok and view funny slides, play games, install app, complete gaps, post on Instagram, answer survey. So first of all you need to sign up, right? And I will show you. They will offer you daily bonus and start earning instantly. So no approval process required for new sign up. You can just sign up in 5 seconds and start earning, right? So referral program, if you refer to your any of friend, you will get commission definitely. So weekly payout, so every week you will get commission in your PayPal account, right? So one more thing, to first sign up I will show you. So what you need to do, you need to sign up. Here we go. If you have Facebook account, you can sign up it with Facebook. So this website is risk free, you can do it, okay? So don't be worry about anything. So log in with the Facebook. Here we go. I enter my password and email address and I am not a robot and sign up for now, right? Let's see what is the result. A confirmation link has been sent to your email. So save. You will see this page. Here we go. This is agreement about Timebucks. If the accept button above does not nothing you and cannot access your account, and so click here to read the terms and service. You can read it. So I will agree. So see the next step. So this is your dashboard, right? You can see. So first this is your dashboard. This is your earnings, earn, advertise, ladder, payment and setting and chat and sport. So you see there is a people who is earning, like taking the survey and get paid like 34 cents in 4 minutes ago. This is a report, right, to taking the survey. So people are making money from this $1.72. It's up to you. So different surveys, how much they pay. So every survey has different price, right? So run a survey for 60 minutes, daily goal checklist, complete 3 push clicks, complete 3 slideshow, attempt 3 tasks, complete 3 full survey from survey tab, complete an offer from an overall wall. So reward is 25 cents and 20,000 per entry. Complete the daily goal, right? So this is how you can use the Timebucks and make money online. So this is how, this is ladder. So they're offering you first prize is $20, second is 10, third is 5. So this is a side hustle, right? You can, if you have any extra time, you can do it when you are go to YouTube or TikTok or Insta. Sometime you have extra time, you are wasting your time. So this is good side hustle for you. You can make some extra money, right? So this is how you can use the Timebucks. So you can take the surveys and get commissions and get bonus. This is for TikTok. So this is not available right now. So here you can start survey. First of all, read the instruction and take the survey and get paid, right? So this is menu, my bonus, referral completion, referral earnings, right? So hopefully you enjoy this website. Now I'm showing you one more website where you can make money to watching the videos, right? So let's move on side where you can make extra money. This is usertesting.com. So here you can give your opinion and get paid to do surveys. So you can see here you can request a trial where you will add your information, right? Your name, first name, last name, company, or request a trial. And here you can watch the videos and give your opinions, so get paid, right? So I will show you how you can. So watch the video, demo video, right? So this is a demo video where they explain you how you can make money with usertesting.com, right? So here you can see the solutions, mobile testing, also marketing, and this is a platform, right? So you can see, and resources, event, webinar, podcast, ebook, and you can get paid. How you can get paid? So let's see. So top of the brands are asking the usertesting.com to give the opinion, like when we go to the Shoppers or Walmart or any other like Marshall, so they give us a receipt, there is mention give your opinion or get rewarded. So this is basically, so they give the user testing. So you can see, make your voice heard. Best companies are rely on user testing to gain valuable insight. Intro their products from people you like Microsoft, Wayfair, so Ford, Adobe. You can see. You just need to simply give your opinion and get paid. So how this work? You need to sign up, take test, and get paid. You know, they are offering you $10 every 20 minutes when you test complete or interview, right? So this is second website where you can make extra income, right? Now I will show you another website where you can make extra income. This is analicia.com. You need to click this button. So this is a web usability testing website where you can test and survey different tasks and get paid, right? So this is also 5-star website. You can make extra money. They will offer you like little with interviews or surveys or watching the video, you will get paid. So you need to go here, browse the articles, right? And want to become a user testing, so you can test and get paid. And you can also contact us. You can see how the system is work. Put your name. If you have any question about that, you can send them message and email. So this is for third website where you can make extra income to just simply give your opinion, taking the service and get paid, right? So this is how you can make extra income. So hopefully friends you like my video, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. And okay friends, there is another site where you can make extra income to watch the videos, right? This is instant gift cards, instagc.com. You will see this page. You need to sign up, and under the earn like you need to click on watch videos, right? And once you watch the video, you will get paid like in points and gift cards, right? You need to watch the video and get paid. And hopefully you like my video, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks.